face like that?
You're pretty.
He's my co-worker, my enemy at work.
Yeah, my enemy at work.
Yeah, and we had also one. And now I'm going to eat first. Do you wanna try this one? Takoyaki.
Ano?
Takoyaki.
What did you say?
Takoyaki. Why?
It's not takoyaki, girl.
What is this? Takoyaki?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you're eating takoyaki.
She said it's takoyaki. I don't know what I did. We're gonna speak English challenge.
Yeah, we're going to speak English the whole day. I mean the whole time we're...
No, only for 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah, because we stay here for 3 hours only.
Okay, English challenge for 3 hours.
Game.
Okay.
When you speak Tagalog,
We have...
you need punishment.
What?
You're gonna buy me a food.
Okay, worth of 50 NT only.
See? It's not good. Only 15.
What's that?
Ayun. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna make taya loto.
Oh my God!
Oh no! Nagag! Tumulo na yung pagkain ko.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness! What the heck? I failed for my challenge. Oh, I'm gonna give you later a food.
Challenge failed.
Hold on, guys. I failed in my challenge for today.
What is that?
What do you want? The Oppo?
Is it on Oppo?
It's Oppo. Oppo. Oppo.
No other brand?
I don't think so. Okay, you wanna go there or you're gonna buy something?
I don't know. I just want to see.
You just want to say what? I fell for 2. Okay, later I'm gonna give you a food.
No, I just want to see, check something. But I don't want to buy.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
It's okay. You can tell them. We're going to... Oh no, I'm gonna make a kaskas first. Come on.
Okay, let's do a kaskas. Going to buy.
We're gonna make... play a game.
But I don't know what it is.
Okay, you make kaskas here. I'm gonna choose for this one, the money. Ursula. Say pango, Ursula.
How?
No, hayo. You got cheesy. Okay. Oh, how? 100不是50没有50了 Thank you. Oh, hayo ma.
Oh my God, it's mayo. Oh, mayo.
Oh. Oh. What's that? I think I win. No, don't me. What if I win? Should I go home?
You try to scan them.
Guys, mag-i-scan na kami.
Scan there.
This is yours, this is mine.
Iyo pa mo.
I won 200.
I spend 100, then I win 200. Oh, how lucky is that?
I wish I could win 1 million.
You're dreaming.
Don't me, what if I won 1 million?
Then just give me balato.
Oh, yes, because ano.
Oh, ano? Oh, it's a tie.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my. Why like that?
Yeah, I was wondering also.
friend again.
Oh, 我没有，我没有了，你看呢？哦，我的两倍不见。
哦，翻这个。
等下啦。
Oh, I think it's nothing.
Look at that.
No. Oh yeah.
Oh.
No, Susan. 等下，这是 Susan. 有 Susan.
为什么这个没有12？ No, 我还有。
哦有 Susan 啊。
Where?
Ay, Susan 1, 2. Oh no.
Give me. Look at that. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa barbecue. You're cooking. Oh! Do you want this one? Let's put it here. Guys, this is so good. The 999. Okay. Go, cheese. Talaga mawawala ang kimchi sa barbecue. Yeah. Inihaw na nila, friend. Are you sure?
因为我们东西这么多。
Guys, tapos na kami kumain at magwaldas. Now, we are back sa dormitory and going home na. Bye! See you next time!